right hand starts off playing a D 4 times. So let's play a D 4 times, play an E, then play an F sharp. Then you're going to do the same thing starting on B. Play the B 4 times, C sharp, then D. Play the C sharp 4 times, D, E, then B flat 4 times, B natural, then C sharp or D flat. So play it again slow. It's then repeat from the D. Your left hand is going to start off playing a B. So what you're going to do is you're going to jump back and forth between B, F sharp, and then a B an octave higher. So what you're going to do is do it in this fashion. Play the B down here once, then play an F sharp and B back and forth. So it's that's one section. So it's you're going to jump down, play a G, so that's G, D, G, and do the same motion. So playing that part again, it's I'm going to jump up a whole step, play A, E, and the A up here, in that same fashion, just like this. I'm going to play an F sharp, C sharp, and an F sharp. So then jump back up to that B and repeat. During the bridge in the right hand, you're going to start off by playing a D and a B as a chord. So play those two notes together. Then you're going to play an E and a C sharp. That's the E here and a C sharp here. Then an F sharp and a D. So I'm playing those two notes together. So it's then I'm going to play this chord here. That's D, F sharp, and B. I'm going to play that chord twice, so I'm going to play it once. Then I'm going to end with that chord here, which is a C sharp, E, and an A sharp or B flat. So putting that all together, it's then repeat. At that point, you can jump back to the regular part of the song. And so on. Now the bridge for the left hand is going to start off on a B again, just like you did in the beginning of the song. This time you're going to jump up to a C sharp, all I did was play a C sharp, A, C sharp, then an A again. Then I'm going to play a D, and that's D, A, D, A. So playing that little section there, it's then you'll jump down to this G here. And what I'm doing here is playing a G, D, G, D. Just like you did in the beginning of the song, you're doing this. Now what you're going to do is play a E, A, E. Then I'm going to play a B flat, E, B flat, E. Then repeat from the top. Then jump back to the beginning of the song. And so on. Putting both hands together and played slow, it's notice I'm playing the notes in the right hand coherently with the notes in the left. So notes in the right being played with the notes in the left. Then repeat, and so on. Now with the bridge, it's the same pattern. Then repeat. Then jump back to the beginning of the song.